Transitions Optical is a US-based company known for manufacturing photochromic lenses, founded in 1990. In 1991, Transitions Optical became the first company to commercialize and manufacture plastic photochromic lenses. From inception, the company has been a joint venture between PPG Industries, 51%, and Essilor, 49%. In April 2014, Essilor acquired the entire stake of PPG in Transitions. These lenses, also called adaptive lenses, are transparent indoors and at night and automatically darken outdoors as light conditions change. They block UV rays and help to enhance contrast and reduce glare. The firm also makes adaptive sunwear that go from dark to darker outdoors depending on the sun. Throughout the 1990s, the firm established offices in Europe, Asia/Pacific, South America, Australia, and Canada. It has more than 1,500 employees worldwide and offices throughout 15 countries. From 2009 to 2012, Transitions Optical was the title sponsor of the Transitions Championship, a PGA Tour event held at Innisbrook Resort and Golf Club in Palm Harbor, Florida. The firm was the official eyewear of the PGA Tour, Champions Tour, and Nationwide Tour. It also sponsors pro cycling team Garmin Cervelo,